In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add clickable links in Canva. This is perfect for making interactive PDFs like resumes, portfolios, lead magnets, or brochures, where you want viewers to click straight through to a website. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast, so you can do it confidently. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you are on the exact page or layout you want to work with. You can add a link to almost any element: text, a style button you've created, or even an image, so decide which element you want to make clickable before moving on. Next, click on the text button or image you want to link. If it's text, highlight the specific words you want to turn into a link for a clean, intentional look. If it's a button or an image, just select the entire element so the whole thing becomes clickable. Now, open the link tool. Look to the top toolbar for the little chain link icon. If you don't see it right away, click the three-dot more menu in the toolbar to reveal additional options. Then select Link. This is the control that tells Canva where to send someone when they click. Type or paste your destination URL into the field. A full standard web address works best, something that starts with HTTPS, / to ensure the link is recognized correctly. Once the address is in, click Done or simply press Enter. Canva will save that link to the selected element instantly. You'll know it worked if you see a subtle underline appear beneath linked text. That underline is a visual cue for viewers. If you linked a button or image, you may not see a visible change, and that's normal. The link is still there and will work once the file is exported correctly. When you are ready to share, go to Share in the top right corner, choose Download, and select either PDF Standard or PDF Print. These formats preserve clickable links, which is essential. PDF Standard keeps file sizes smaller for easy sharing, while PDF Print keeps the highest quality if you plan to print and still want the link functionality in the digital version. Keep in mind that formats like JPG or PNG are images only and won't keep your links clickable. So stick with a PDF for interactive documents. After you download the PDF, your linked text, buttons, and images will work as expected when opened in a typical PDF viewer. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.